everyone, this is Lisa from Life in Layouts over here on the ScrapbookingStore.com. Today I'm using the July 2020 upgraded kit, and I'm also going to be using this free sketch from Scrapbook Generations. When I saw this 4x6 card that says "You Are My Sunshine," I knew exactly what photos that I wanted to use. I had pulled these photos from my sister-in-law's Snapchat, and they're photos of my niece and my nephew. There is a pretty significant age difference in my niece and my nephew, and it is very obvious that my niece just adores her big brother. So he was out on his dirt bike, and you can tell just by the different expressions on her face that she was so excited to get to have her brother take her for a ride, as well as just being around her brother when he was out there. So I started out with this kind of pineapple theme, and I was thinking I would use the pineapple paper and that pineapple card, but it just didn't work. And so I do end up changing it up a little bit. And I do change the sketch quite a bit because I only have 4 photos, and I knew that I wanted to use that 4x6 card. So I technically considered that a photo as well, or what would be in a photo placement. But because my photos were from Snapchat, and so they were a little bit different sizes, I needed to cut them down to make them 3x4. So I changed up the sketch to make it work for my photos. I do distress all of the edges in worn lipstick, and I think that it really adds that pink touch to this paper that is needed. I also used a really dark background piece because all of the colors were pastel, so I felt like that dark background piece really made a huge contrast with all of this paper. Now, I did pull from my stash this white cardstock that I'm using as a 1/4 inch strip on the top and bottom of that floral piece. There just wasn't a paper that I liked for that border strip, and I thought that the white really picked up the white flowers that were in the background paper as well. And so I went ahead and used the white cardstock as well to mount my photos on the right hand side. So I did pull out some of the pieces from the Pebbles Oh Summertime Phrases and Ephemera. That does come in the upgraded kit, and I decided to use that YOLO expression as well as the happy with the big pineapple piece, because those really do kind of fit in with this whole idea of, you know, going for a ride with her big brother, and I'm sure that she was extremely happy during this time. I went ahead and pulled out the chipboard piece that has the florals that match the background pieces, and when I did that, I noticed that there were also some fruit pieces in there, which does tie into that pineapple. So in the paper and that floral chipboard piece, there's strawberries and blueberries, and so I do go ahead and pull out the strawberries from the sticker sheet and the chipboard sheet and add those to my clusters with the pineapples as well as the floral piece up there in the upper left hand corner. I want to encourage you guys to go check out our Facebook group. There are lots of inspiration for using this kit as well as past kits so that you can see all of the collections. I will link my affiliate link below, so if you do want to go and purchase this collection, if you will use that affiliate link, I will get a little bit of compensation, but don't feel like you need to in any way. I did pull out from my collection some puffy stickers from Jelly Bean Soup. I wanted to add a few more butterflies that were in that You Are My Sunshine 4x6 card, and so I just pulled out a couple of puffy stickers in the butterfly shape to add to each one of my clusters. And then I also pulled out enamel dots from my collection as well to add to the collections. I do like to pull out my typewriter from time to time and add strips of journaling. I think that it just gives it a different look. And so I went ahead and typed up my journaling on white cardstock and added it to the right-hand side of the layout just below that photo. So I've been so excited to create all of these layouts with this collection. I have been able to get 4 layouts completed, and I think that is quite a few layouts from one collection, especially since they're double page layouts. There are plenty of papers as well as embellishments in this collection for you to create several layouts with. I hope that I was able to provide you some inspiration today. Here is my final layout as well as some close-ups. If you enjoyed this video, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. If you want to see more inspiration using these kits, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope that you have a scrappy day.